How to manage news options on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage news options on Opera Mini. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Opera and then click this Opera icon here, and now click this one, settings, and then here you will find this one, start page content, and click on it. And here all you need to do, just click news options, and here you can manage news options and interests or anything you want, and then just go back. And as you see, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.